Mastering adjective clauses with possessive relative pronouns. Hey everyone! Today, we'll dive deep into a fascinating part of English grammar: adjective clauses with possessive relative pronouns. If you're preparing for TOEFL or IELTS, mastering this can give you an edge. So, buckle up and let's get started. Before we jump into the specifics, let's refresh our memory on what adjective clauses are. They are dependent clauses that modify nouns, just like adjectives. For example, the man who wears a hat is my uncle. Here, the phrase, who wears a hat, is an adjective clause describing the man. Possessive relative pronouns are a subgroup of relative pronouns that show ownership or possession. In English, they are mainly whose, of which, and whose for. For example, the lady whose cat climbed the tree is worried. Here, whose cat shows the lady owns the cat. Alright, let's combine our understanding to form adjective clauses with possessive relative pronouns. Here are some examples. The artist whose painting won the award is from Brazil. That's the book of which the author received praise. She is the girl whose dream is to travel the world. When using possessive relative pronouns, people often make a couple of common mistakes. Here's how you can avoid them. 1. Misplacing the pronoun. Make sure the pronoun directly relates to the noun it modifies. 2. Correct. The boy whose toy is broken is crying. 3. Incorrect. The boy is crying whose toy is broken. 4. Confusing whose with whose. Remember that whose is a possessive pronoun, while whose is a contraction for who is or who has. 5. Correct. The woman whose umbrella is red left it here. 6. Incorrect. The woman whose umbrella is red left it here. There you have it. Adjective clauses with possessive relative pronouns might sound complex, but with practice, you'll master them in no time. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, grammar is just a tool to help you communicate clearly. Best of luck with your TOEFL or IELTS preparations. See you in the next video.